Hey guys, sorry it's been a while since I've done a cleaning video. I have no real excuses as to why I haven't been doing cleaning or working on videos other than I've been burnt out and sick recently. I'm currently sick now, so if you hear a difference in my voice, that's why. This video is about 3 to 4 months old. I know, why even bother? I worked hard on the cleaning, though it was probably not my best work. I plan on filming another deep cleaning video of my bedroom soon, so there will be that. There are a couple of clothes changes in this video, so because it was through a couple of days, so you'll see that as well. After this video was filmed, I did reorganize my bookshelf, though you'll never see it unless you are subscribed to my book channel, which is Lee's Book Corner. Should be in the description below. I need to go through my books again, clean and organize them, which I plan on doing in my next cleaning video for my bedroom. I could have probably done better angles for the glass cleaning for the bookshelf, but the lighting in my bedroom sucks, and you probably wouldn't have seen that much of anything anyways. So this is where all my sequels are hidden, or books that are part of a series that aren't number ones. The first two shelves on my bookshelf are TBRs, and there is also the cart that's TBRs, and the books on top of my bookshelf are also TBRs. It's safer to say that the books on the bottom shelf are the only ones I have actually finished. I know, I've got a lot of reading to do, and I plan on doing so next year and the beginning, or around this time of the month. In December, yes. Yes, I do use a glass cleaner on the wall in this clip. I didn't realize I grabbed the wrong cleaning solution. My mistake. Either way, I couldn't get the stuff off the walls, so I need to get some magic erasers to get the grime off the wall. Hopefully I remember to do so before next time I clean the bedroom in a video. I probably will forget though, let's be honest. I need to decolor the drawers and fill it with cold season clothing and take out any clothes that have holes in them. I have quite a few, but I keep a good chunk of those clothes for working out or cleaning anyhow. Plus, I don't really have any clothes to replace them with at the moment since I keep going in and out of sizes quite quickly, which could be a good or a bad thing depending on what sizes I'm going into. I also need to declutter my crafting bins and locations, but that's possible for another video. This is my husband's side of the bed. You can tell by how dirty and disorganized it is. He doesn't like cleaning unless there's really something that bothers him about it, and then he'll go on a rampage, but that's very rare and very far and few between. Yes, this is a lot of empty kitty litter buckets. I'll be honest with you that I forget about them since they're in the bedroom, and I rarely see them when it's time to take them up to the trash. But that's why I'm moving them now. I moved them into the dining room space so I can see them every single day and take them up when the trash is almost trash day. So hopefully that works. And that's the last bit of this video. Hope you enjoyed. Like, comment, and subscribe, and expect some more cleaning videos in the future.